we've got an infestation problem. Hello, Tigger, Sylvester. They crawl into the massive hole in the floor. They're not sickly, they just look like it. Meow. Meow. Alright, try playing with the kitties. Gonna dump in. Caleb's better than me. He spent the extra $1 to get the berrymans. Which is still half the price of seafoam. $9 for a can of seafoam. Insane. What do you guys think about that? Yoink. Here's your eviction notice, bitch. We put exhaust on today. Caleb, where's your stack at? Oh yeah, hold it up there for the people. Beautiful. Chef's kiss. So currently we just have stock manifolds fly together into this pipe, then blowed out mufflers. So we're gonna get rid of this. Get rid of that guy. We're gonna put a 90 to go from here over, and it's gonna swoop up over there. We're not gonna do passenger side because fuel tank's here and the filler neck is here. Let's see it. You know, I was all proud of Caleb because he got the 2-speed working. Homeboy didn't cut the tails off his zip ties. What kind of Joe Schmo, Joe Blow's auto body kind of shit is this? Drive shaft's bounced though. I might need my birthday present back. You're making a mess, bud. Alright, you give her a whack. Ah! Here you go. There we go. Right on. Covered me in rust. I'll make it cute. Bye-bye. How's that feel? Don't let the door hit you on the way out. Alright, so then that'll go there. Kablamo. And then this guy, or A clamp, can go back through that hanger. Wow. Just wow.
I'm amazing.
This is all junk we had laying around too. So this didn't want to fit back over the U-bolt part of the clamp. So I'm gonna give her the anaconda squeeze. Anaconda squeeze! And hopefully not kill the threads. Come on, sweetheart. So friction close. And kind of squeeze for the win. Bum bum. To make a pit stop, get some liquid dinosaurs and a cheeseburger. Because we're running on fumes basically. That welded on. This 90 here, found in the scrap pile at State Tech in the fabrication room. I said, Mr. Schuler, can I have that? And he says, I don't know, not my class. Sure. Thank you, Mr. Schuler. You made this possible. You need me to go inside the bed? There's access hole right here.
Yeah.
Here.
I bet that don't look worth a shit.
Yeah, but who's gonna see it? Easy on the body work.
Right.
Alright, so how is she? Oh, it's gonna rattle against the back of the cab the whole time.
Well, what's really using is the baling locker.
Yeah.
And
And we can always put some rubber around that to silence it. Alright, let's fire this mug up. Oh. Oh man. Now with 2-speed. I want to hear like downshift into third and then use like use that to brake it because it'll backfire, I'm sure. So like working down this hill, downshift to third.
well, I'm gonna wait until we get a little bit closer. It's doing it now.